to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of innovation and artistry. Discover how 3D printing technology is transforming the jewelry industry with Xunjie leading the way in precision and creativity. Traditional jewelry making meets modern innovation. Our designers use cutting-edge Canadian dollars software to create one-of-a-kind pieces, which are then meticulously crafted through 3D printing. This technology allows for complex geometries and intricate designs that were once impossible to achieve. But it's not just about making the impossible possible. 3D printing offers a more sustainable and cost-effective solution for jewelry manufacturing. From prototypes to finished products, we're reducing waste and increasing efficiency, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality and aesthetics. As we look to the future, Xunjie is committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in jewelry design and manufacturing. We invite you to join us on this journey, where creativity meets technology, and every piece tells a story of innovation. Thank you for watching, and let's keep shaping the future together.